How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy, and we have the new Huawei Watch GT. So this is designed to look like a watch, so when you wear it on the wrist, it just looks normal. It's got two buttons on the side, so there's no scroll dial there, and if you see, it's got this ceramic bezel going on around it as well. We've got this 10.6mm AMOLED display, and it's featuring Huawei's latest Light OS, which means there's no Android Wear OS on here. So it's compatible with Android and iOS as well. First thing, on the back, you got this new heart rate monitor on there as well, and a few sensors are in there to make sure that everything is measured accurately. Also, when you wear it on your wrist, what it also does is it knows where it is on your wrist. So again, it's all about accuracy for your heart rate monitoring and so on. So for you health fanatics out there, so it tracks majority of everything. So you can track your running. It's got an altimeter, so if you go up high, up in the mountains for hiking, you'll be able to measure that as well, how high you are. It's got heart rate monitoring as usual, which is 24 hours. You can leave that on all the time to continuously monitor your heart rate. And what else do we have here? You've got swimming tracking as well. Again, it's not just to measure your swimming, but it can also measure your strokes, which is pretty smart. In terms of battery life, it's really impressive. I thought the Samsung Galaxy Watch, the new one, was impressive, but this takes it to a next level. So this thing can do up to 30 days of battery life, but there's a little caveat though. So 30 days battery life means you're just using it just as a watch. You're not doing anything. There's no continuous heart rate monitoring. If you put that on and a few other tracking on there, you can expect up to 2 weeks of battery life. And if you put absolutely everything on a full whack, so all the monitoring, you go running every day, you're doing a lot of exercises and so on, you're looking at about a day's worth of battery life. But you get a charger with it as well, so you can quickly charge it back up and you're good to go again. So there you have it, that's the Huawei Watch GT. Would you buy one of these? I think I'm absolutely in love with this, and I would actually buy one of these myself to use on a daily basis. I love the battery life for one, and the design looks great. It looks like a watch, which is something I like. It's nicely weighted as well, which is great. But anyway, guys, do let me know what you think in the comments below. All relevant information will be in the description area as well. And in the meantime, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like as well, share it, and hit that bell button so you'll be one of the first people to know every time we upload a video on this channel. See you guys in the next one.